The four-part anti-aging stack: NAD+, Sermorelin, Glutathione, and GHK-Cu. Walk into almost any longevity clinic today and you will hear the same four names over and over again: NAD+, Sermorelin, Glutathione, GHK-Cu. They are often talked about together, but they are not doing the same job. Think of them as four different tools, each targeting a different part of how the body changes with age. Here is what each one actually does and why people often use them together. NAD+ is a coenzyme every cell in your body needs to produce energy. Levels drop roughly in half between your 20s and your 40s. Less NAD+ means less efficient energy production at the cellular level, which is part of why fatigue does not always respond to sleep or caffeine. NAD+ is also involved in DNA repair pathways that help maintain normal cellular function over time. When people talk about boosting cellular energy, NAD+ is usually at the center of that conversation. Your body's natural growth hormone production declines with age. Sermorelin does not replace growth hormone directly. Instead, it signals your pituitary gland to release more of your own. That distinction matters. Because it works through your body's natural regulatory system, it has been studied for improving body composition and may help support recovery and sleep quality in appropriate patients. Glutathione is your body's primary antioxidant, made naturally from 3 amino acids. It helps protect cells from oxidative stress, the damage that can build up from aging, poor sleep, alcohol, illness, and environmental exposure. It also plays an important role in supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes, making it one of the body's most important protective molecules. GHK-Cu is a naturally occurring copper peptide found in human plasma. Like NAD+, it declines significantly with age. Applied topically, it has been studied for supporting collagen production and skin repair. Researchers have also investigated it for wound healing and hair follicle biology, although topical skincare remains its most common longevity application. Unlike NAD+ or Sermorelin, GHK-Cu is primarily focused on tissue repair rather than energy production or recovery. Think of it like maintaining a house. NAD+ helps keep the lights on by supporting cellular energy. Sermorelin supports the repair crew. Glutathione helps protect the structure from ongoing damage. GHK-Cu focuses on the exterior by supporting skin repair and collagen production. Different systems, different jobs. That is the logic behind stacking them, not because more is automatically better, but because each one targets something the others do not. None of this replaces the basics. Sleep, regular exercise, sunscreen, and a healthy diet still matter more than any peptide or supplement. These therapies are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. If you are interested in longevity therapies, the goal is not finding the most products. It is finding the right ones for your goals, medical history, and risk factors. That is why treatment decisions should always be made with a licensed healthcare provider. At Med, licensed providers evaluate whether therapies like NAD+, Sermorelin, Glutathione, or topical GHK-Cu are appropriate for you through a quick online assessment. If prescribed, treatment is shipped directly to your door. olarismed.com